Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to pack and unpack RAR and zip archives on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, let's open up Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called RAR, like this, and simply download it. When it's done, we'll be able to open it and grant it all file access. So find it and click on this switch right here. Now if we go back to our app, it should work perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.